How to log in to your Discord account with QR code. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Discord account using QR code. So always make sure before proceeding with this step, you have enabled any QR code in which we can easily scan from your mobile device. That means we are scanning the QR code from your mobile device to the PC or any other device where you want to set up your same account. So now first thing, once you're inside your mobile device, make sure you have already logged into your account. Now simply click on this bottom right corner, that is your profile section, and from over here just select the settings at the top right corner, and once you click on it, just scroll down and until you see the option called scan QR code, just tap on this and just make sure your QR code is ready on your PC. And once you get a pop-up like this, simply tap on the login button over here and simply click on start talking, and you will be successfully logged on to your desktop or any other device which you prefer. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.